Hare Krishna. Once again, welcome to Krishna's Cuisine. I am Bhuvan Sundari Radha Devidasi with a quick recipe. Today we will make multigrain thepla which is 100% gluten free. So let's start. First take a mixing plate. To this add half cup makki ka atta means maize flour, half cup jowar atta sorghum flour, 1/4 cup बाजरे का आटा पल मिलेट फ्लोर and 1/4 cup chickpeas flour. Here you can alter the amount of flour used here. Here I have used 4 gluten free flour. You can also use any other flour. Let's add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon carom seed, which we need to crush it against the palm. It is very good for digestion. Next add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons sesame seed, 1 tablespoon ginger chili paste, and 2 teaspoon oil. Let's mix all these ingredients thoroughly. This thepla is very healthy. If you have ready-made multigrain flour, you can use it directly, or as if you want, you can use only wheat flour instead of multigrain flour. Now it has been mixed well. Add 1 cup of partially chopped fenugreek leaves or methi leaves and mix it thoroughly. You can add any leaves you want, like spinach, dill leaves, or coriander leaves. It's your choice. Now add some water and knead the dough. Make sure do not add a lot of water at once. We will need a medium hard dough. I have listed down all the ingredients below in the description box. You can refer it. Our dough is well kneaded. You can see its texture here. Next, let's make medium-sized balls. You can alter the size of theplas too. Similarly, make all the balls. I have made all the balls. Here I have taken jowar atta. If you want, you can take any other flour. Now sprinkle some flour and coat a ball with the flour. Let's roll it. Don't roll it too thin. You will find the edges being cut, so take help of your hand. Such cut edges indicate the absence of gluten. I have rolled it. Carefully place it on the hot tawa. Cook it on medium flame only. Let's flip it over. Now spread some oil. Next flip it over and cook the other side as well. These theplas are the best for traveling as they remain fresh for 3 to 4 days. The thepla has been cooked. Let's take it out. Similarly, let's make another thepla. Sprinkle some flour and roll the ball. Now carefully take it and place on the tawa. Let it cook on medium flame. Let's flip it over. Now spread some oil. Flip it over again and let it cook. This thepla too is ready. Now take it out and similarly make all the theplas. Our multigrain gluten-free theplas are ready. Spread some ghee on it. This will keep it moist. These theplas can be served with raita and pudina chutney. Let's offer it to Sri Sri Radha Shyam Sundar by placing a tulsi leaf. Our gluten-free theplas are offered and ready. If you like the Bhoga recipes, please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon below so you do not miss any recipe. If you want to watch Bhoga recipes in Hindi, visit Govinda's Cuisine on YouTube. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, and